Okay, so hi everyone, welcome back to the Cat Kings NMAT Daily. Since all of you guys have requested that the NMAT Daily series was being helpful for all of you guys, so I'm back here for all of you on YouTube. For people who are watching it for the first time, guys, this is Anisha here. I have done my MBA from NMIMS Mumbai in 2015, done a short executive management from Harvard Business School, worked with Marico and Henkel, so that's my background. I've been mentoring and training students for the past 5 years for NMAT. All right. And we have this series of NMAT daily where I'll be coming up with all the important updates, news, anything about NMIMS, what's happening inside NMIMS, everything up out here for all of you guys. Plus, since we're planning to get into NMIMS, we have to make sure the first step, which is to give NMAT and track NMAT. So we'll be discussing a lot about your NMAT exam strategies, mock strategies, when to give the exam, how to improve your exams, how to focus on which topics, and increase the sectional scores and all of those things. So stay tuned. Do subscribe to the channel. Don't miss out on any of the videos coming up ahead for the NMAT daily. And if there is something which is bothering you, anything, whether it's respect to NMIMS College or the NMAT exam, please punch in on the comments. We'll make sure I take that up in the upcoming videos. Anything that you want me to focus on, the strategies, the topics, we'll discuss all of those things and whatever you need. So right from now till you get into NMIMS, stay tuned and don't miss the daily NMAT series, which is going to help you guys crack NMAT exam. All right. So let's get started with today's topic. What is my today's topic is the September strategy. Like being very honest, talk about your preparation strategy if we have to start from now, and for all of those who have already started the preparation, what has to be done. All right, so let's get started with the same. Okay, so like I said, we'll talk about the September strategy. Let's get set, go. Now, whenever we talk about strategy of any exam, the first and foremost important thing you have to keep in mind is understand the exam. You have to do two things. One, understand the exam ka paper pattern. Second is understand your syllabus. These are two essential things which you need when you are starting your preparation. Okay, so today we are talking about your exam paper pattern and how to give the exams. Syllabus pe I've already done a video. If you have not yet checked, please check it out. I'll put it up on the comments as well. Dekh lena wo video in detail to understand the syllabus of the exam. Okay? Now coming to the paper pattern. Why? Because NMAT ka paper pattern has changed this year. Lot of changes, lot of fun and excitement coming up ahead for all of you guys. The biggest change which is there is in the number of questions. From 120 questions in 120 minutes, they have reduced it to 108 questions in 120 minutes. But the major change is that all the sections have made equally important. So now you have 36 questions in each of the sections. Quants and DI, LR, verbal, all of them 36 each. And if I look at the time, now quants and DI 36 questions but 52 minutes. Logical reasoning 40 minutes, verbal 28 minutes. So time is, the challenge, the biggest challenge. But if I look at the distribution of time on that basis, you can easily identify quants and DI is going to be the most taxing, the most calculation intensive, the most lengthy section for you guys. Half the people after the exam are going to end up and say that only. But you know what? That is how it has been for years. So please make sure you are prepared for it, that DI is going to be calculation intensive. Quants, good thing, no geometry. So other modules need more focus in your preparation. All right. Secondly, when I talk about logical reasoning mein there is a hike in the number of questions which are more time consuming, which is your verbal reasoning or critical reasoning. You have questions of strengthening, weakening the argument, then we have statement, assumption, course of action, conclusion, fact, inference, judgment, all of these things, paradox based questions, a lot of these interesting things. Okay, so that's going to be time consuming. Plus we have analytical puzzles, which always were time consuming, right? It's a big puzzle with 4 to 5 questions. Then you have input output, again time consuming, right? So ye section bhi time consuming rahega. Verbal section mein you'll have to fight for the time. But if your concepts are good, if you are quick and smart, you'll not have that much of a trouble. But one thing, jo easy scoring tha, like vocab, direct, that has been removed. So that's going to be a little trouble out there in the verbal section, but still should not be a challenge if you guys have been following. And agar aap log Rahul sir ke sab verbal lectures attend kar rahe ho, to then you have no problem in your verbal section. Trust me on that. Okay, so keep that in mind. This is about now number of questions and the time allocated. Let's now understand the scoring pattern. Ye to pura new hai, right? Earlier you had windows made normalization, dimag everybody used to use into it, ki kab dena hai, scaling kya hoga and everything. Forget that stress. It's all about a score now based on your own performance scaled score. So good thing, scaled score comes within 48 hours of giving the exam. It's moving towards the way GMAT is. Okay, but the score range concept kya hai? You will get score between 12 to 120 in each section. Overall 36 to 360. This does not mean कि आपका जो score आएगा उसको हम 36 add करेंगे. That's a common myth which people face. It's not like that. Okay, it basically just means that your 0 is as good as 36. Okay, now when I say scaled scoring, there is no +3 for a correct question and a -1 for a wrong question or anything which is there. You don't know what is the weightage of each and every question. The weightage of the questions will be on the basis of difficulty level of the question. All right, please take a note, please understand this, take a pen and paper, sit with your headphones on and keep noting it down, because you have to understand this. This is the most common doubt which will keep coming, is score kaise aaya? 3 का multiple नहीं है, ये नहीं है, क्योंकि they have not given you +3 for every question. ठीक है? So forget all of that what existed before. Scaled score is on the basis of difficulty level of the question, which is why this exam is now adaptive, which means if I were to plot a graph, with every question, your difficulty level will increase. If you're able to keep solving them, I will keep on giving you tough questions, which will enable you to get a good score. If you're not able to, then I'll, instead of increasing the scores or the toughness, I will give you moderate level, what you were able to solve. So basically, you will get questions on the basis of your own capability and your scaled score on the basis of that question's difficulty level. I hope you guys are with me. In case you'll have any doubts, please plug in on the comments. I'll reply to all of them personally and we'll sort them up. Okay? So now people will come up saying NMAT में negative marking है कि नहीं है. Negative marking nahi hai, but there is a way of negative impact, because the minute I reduce the difficulty level for you, your score will reduce. The tougher the questions which you are able to solve, the higher the score you get. It's as simple as that. Don't complicate it more कि मेरे को इतने questions करने चाहिए, इतने blank छोड़ने चाहिए and all of those things. नहीं. ठीक है? Then the changes which are there. NMAT has a unique feature. You choose your section. That still stays there. You can decide whether you want to start with verbal, you want to start with LR, you want to start with quants and DI. That's your lookout. You choose. What is a recommended strategy? I will talk about it ahead. So that's one thing. But a very important thing is, now in between a section, I can't go back and forth because it's adaptive. I can't go back to the previous question, right? So no toggling between the questions. No flag for option, no review for option. मतलब you can't say कि this question maybe I'm getting it, so इसको mark करके वापस आ जाएंगे. नहीं कर सकते. अगर आपको कुछ नहीं आ रहा है, take a smart guess and attempt. Don't skip questions. Attempt करो सब कुछ. Don't skip it, but do a smart guess. All right. So that is about your NMAT paper pattern. I hope you guys have taken notes and understood about it. And this is the most essential slide of your entire prep strategy. So please take a screenshot of this and keep with you. Let this be drilled into your heads in the paper pattern structure. Okay? Great. Now that you guys have understood this, let's move further ahead and talk about what has to be done next, right? How do we start our preparation? We are in September. Exam is going to be October mid to December. That's my timeline, right? So in this timeline, now let's understand our time structure. All the people who are students, who are doing nothing at home, who are repeating the exam, who probably are, waiting for final exams in college, whatever it is, 6 hours a day. That's what we are going to spend time, 6 hours a day, 3 hours in the morning, 3 hours in the evening, study that much, give 2 sectional tests every week, pick up 2 days, like I picked up Wednesday and Friday. If you have some other time commitments of these days, pick Tuesday, Thursday, but make sure you do it and same day analyze the sectional mock. Okay? Next thing you have to do is full mock, giving on every Saturday and Sunday. Why? Because you need to train yourself to the timer ticking, key time left in each section, and sitting there for 2 hours and giving the exam. We have all become very lazy, very relaxed and chilled out. You study at your own pace, you study at your own time zones in the most chill atmospheres at home right now. But we have to get back to the sitting at 2 hours in a place and studying, right? So giving the mock exam is very, very important. For all the working professionals, I know work is hectic. Like work from home for a lot of people has become double, triple X work, which is there. We have to make a way through it because you have saved time on your travel time cut ho gaya. We used to in office have your coffee breaks and lunch breaks, which were elaborate, which you don't have the luxury right now. So cut them out, do those smaller breaks, use that time into your prep. So 3 hours a day is still what you can definitely pick it out. Weekend पे 6 hours पढ़ो. That will help you to be at pace with the other kids who have more time at hand. Give sessional mocks on Saturday, Sunday, analyze them so that you have adequate amount of time to prepare through the week and improvise. And mocks, which is the full mocks, give it every 15 days. This time strategy will definitely help you to make sure you reach the mark of crossing 220 as a score. I know the cutoff will be 210 plus, but I always recommend aim a 220 plus. Okay, so that is what I want you all to keep in mind. Great. Moving further ahead, when we talk about now which section. So I want you all to understand, try this in your mocks. Even if you started your preparation right now, it's the best thing. Give a mock, you will come to know where you stand and we'll improvise from there. We know where to focus more in our preparation. But the best strategy is start with verbal, then move to reasoning, then move to quants and DI. Give an attempt, make a SWOT analysis with the sectional and topic wise chart ki where are you missing out, what you are doing, and then we can improvise onto it. But this strategy helped me and helped a lot of other students to top the NMAT exam and get good scores because it's a tried and tested method with playing with your mind. See, all of these exams are strategy and mind based. You have to be very calm. So verbal, when you're super fresh, reading is faster. Reasoning, your mind needs to be running. So then we do that second. Quants and DI is formula based and calculation based. और वो बहुत टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है. अगर आप DI में अटक गए, फर्स्ट कर रहे हो वो, तो पूरा डिमोटिवेट हो जाओगे for the rest of the exam. That's why try this. Try it out and write it on the comments if this strategy worked and helped you improve your scores or not. I would love to hear that from you guys. All right. So start with the mocks as yet. And if you've not yet started, please get on board with it. You can check out the Cat King mocks, amazing mocks as per actual NMAT. बहुत मेहनत से all NMAT toppers and me, we've been making the mocks with the detailed analysis and reports for all of you guys. So get started with them. Okay, link is there in the comments. You can check it up in the description. You will get access to the course. And the next thing which everybody asks. Now, since the NMAT daily was on a little break, I'm focusing on sorting all your questions which have come to me of late in the last 1 week. Sectional cutoff. NMIMS has sectional cutoff. Yes. What's it going to be this year? Guys, you can't predict that fully because now the number of questions itself has changed. But overall, keep your target कि मुझे हर section में 75 score करना है. You will aim for that. That will be helpful for you guys. That means 25 questions correct in each section. You can obviously balance it out by एक में 28 हो गया तो दूसरे में 22 and like that, obviously. But this is just a quick study and analysis of the previous year cutoffs if you see. So if I look at the previous year cutoffs, quants and DI had been decreasing. 74, say it was made 65. 65. That is, I'm making it more non-engineer friendly. And that is a good thing, right? Logical reasoning has been more or less consistent, but somewhere around 60. Language skills kept on increasing, decreasing, increasing, somewhere around 53. Overall, 207, 2089. I would say overall cutoff, keep to be very safe, 210 plus. That's how it has been, right? So aim for 210 plus. Each of the sections, which you can say approximately the sectional cutoffs will be in and around the same range. But if we can make it much, much better as well. Keep this as your target कि 65 sectional cutoff होगा quants का, logical reasoning का 60, verbal का 60. Let's aim for that while you're preparing 65, 60, 60 as your sectional cutoff to keep in mind so that we have a target, a self target, especially when you're giving sectional tests, that self target should be met. All right. I hope you guys have been noting it down and understanding all of these things. One last thing before I want to stop and tell you guys more about our program as well, how I can help you, is understand which are the important topics. These are the most important topics of each of our sections. Quants, we have to do modern maths and arithmetic. DI may, we have to do caselets and data sufficiency. Verbal may, we have to focus on reading comprehension and parajumbles. Logical reasoning may focus on verbal reasoning, analytical puzzles, input output. The objective behind all of this is to maximize your scores. So in each of these things, please follow this. And in fact, all the students who are a part of the Cat Kings NMAT Turbo, you are starting with arithmetic on Monday. People who have not yet started with their NMAT preparation or started but are still lost or still struggling, Cat and NMAT, how to balance. Monday, we start up with arithmetic, which is the most important section for NMAT and all the other exams. So get on board with that. The best approach to study is attend the live classes, then make sure you refer to your concept builder videos, solve from the practice booster books as well as the NMAT maximizer books. There's tons for you to practice and prepare. That will take care of it. Okay. Quick summary for all of you guys who don't know about the Cat Kings NMAT Turbo course. We have Monday to Friday everyday classes, NMAT Thursdays, which are my special strategy sessions, verbal on Wednesdays and Fridays done by Rahul sir. Once your basic concepts are clear, Saturday, Sundays, we do shortcuts and advance so that our speed becomes better. Plus, you have a lot of video lectures, all the section wise. There are so many videos for quants, like around 500 videos for quants, verbal, data interpretation, LR, everything. Each of these sections with your concept videos, topic wise, how to approach all of them, plus the NMAT official guide. Yes, the NMAT official guide 2020 videos to explain those questions so that you understand that approach. Plus, you will have full mock tests, sectional tests, topic-wise tests to get an evaluation, practice ebooks, and get me a call. I'll convert that for you. So we'll have case discussion, personal interview preparation as well, but get me that call. All right, so let's get started. Monday, we start with a new batch. Don't waste more time, get on board. And if you guys like NMAT Daily restarting and getting back, then please show some love on the videos, like, comment, and share. That is what is going to make sure we keep continuing this. All right. Thank you so much and all the best, guys. Thank you.